Web app registration process. First of all, open your browser and search for neemacademy.com. After you find it, click on the sign up option. Now, if you are a teacher or school, please register as an instructor, and if you are a student or parents, please register as a learner. Now, enter your name, enter your email address or phone number, and your password. Then click on register. After completion of the register, you will get the message account created successfully. Verify your account to log in. So check your registered email ID or phone number for verification with message Neemacademy email address confirmation. If you found one, then open that email and click on verify your email. Then your account will be verified successfully. After that, click on login option. Now enter your email ID and password that you had used on register and click on login. Now you will be seeing the Neemacademy dashboard. So before starting anything else, let's add up some details of yourself. So click on the update profile option. Here you can edit your full name, email, gender, date of birth, contact, address, and even change your profile photo also. And also you can add your school address and further information. You can also add up all your social media links, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, etc. on the update profile option, and after that click on save. After this, let's go and search the course that we want to study. So let's search grade 10 science. Here you will see various options, but we want to study only physics. For that, we have to enroll the course. So take your mouse to the grade 10 physics and you see the enroll option. Click on that. Congratulations, you have been successfully enrolled to the course. Now go to the teaching materials option and see whether you have enrolled the course or not. Here you will see the course. Click on the course and finally you can study all the course content that is available on this course. So like this, you can enroll all the other available courses on Neemacademy. Thank you for watching the video. Happy learning!